We're going to find an unknown side length of a polygon given the perimeter. So we know what we already know about perimeter is that when you have a shape, if you want to find the perimeter, you have to add up all of the sides, and all of the sides added together give you the perimeter, the total perimeter of the shape. But right now we have the perimeter. The perimeter is 19 centimeters, and we want to find the missing side length. So what we have to do is add up all of the numbers that we already have for the sides of the polygon. So we'll add up 6 plus 6 plus 3. And I got those here, 6 plus 6 plus 3. 6 plus 6 is 12, and 12 plus 3 is 15. So far we have all the 3 sides that we have when we add them together, that gives us 15 centimeters. So now we have to find out what's left over to get to 19 centimeters. So I'm going to take 19 and subtract 15. And that would give me 4 centimeters. So this last side length is going to be 4 centimeters.